Okay, there we go. We got her up some. It's a good inch right there. Can't really see it. Hold on. I guess you can. Alright, see it? I got the bolt up there. And there's the frame of the bed and the frame of the truck. Back's a little bit different. But we will get some space, trust me. I got this jacked up right here. So we're going to go around and let a little air out of these things. I am about an inch. About an inch and a quarter, inch and a half probably right here on this side. I could stand to go up, but it's in a bind right in that moment. Which way, I don't know. But I'm done it right here. I'm probably hung. No, they're all cut. So I'm up an inch on this side easily. And then I got place that it'll swing away. Everything will swing away. Need to pull that line in. Alright, let's do the other side. Now, we're up about an inch, and it's gonna go down some more. I need to cut this, so we'll make another video.